More than a dozen people, including Chinese nationals and Pakistani soldiers, were killed in a blast targeting a bus in a remote region of northern Pakistan on Wednesday. That's according to multiple sources who said the toll could rise. It was not immediately clear whether the blast was the result of a roadside device or something planted inside the bus. Inspector General Muazzam Jah Ansari said the bus plunged into a ravine. Bomb disposal experts were at the scene, and police were investigating what he said looked like sabotage. A senior administrative officer of the Hazara region said the bus was carrying more than 30 Chinese engineers to the site of the Dasu Dam in Upper Kohistan. The Dasu hydroelectric project is part of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which is a $65 billion investment plan.
A fifth day of looting and riots grip Alexandra Township in the north of Johannesburg. Police struggle to keep people away, but those temporarily deterred by rubber-coated bullets and tear gas return within minutes. Hours later, soldiers are deployed. They apprehend a group of men they suspect of shooting at them, searching for guns and other weapons. Here, grocery stores, a butcher's shop, banks and ATMs are completely destroyed. Security guards say they tried to keep looters away as they waited for the police, but it was too late. With riots and the disruption of services in the Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal provinces, there are concerns people will run out of food. The protests that began after the jailing of former President Jacob Zuma have now escalated to riots linked to increasing poverty and inequality. South Africa has been under varying stages of COVID-19 lockdown for more than a year. Worsening unemployment, already at 32%, has fueled anger and resentment at a government that is struggling to cope.
Tonight, rescue teams in China scrambling to free 70 people trapped inside a hotel used as a coronavirus quarantine center after the structure suddenly collapsed. The 5-story building in Guangzhou flattened. Hundreds of emergency workers searching the wreckage for the missing. Officials say dozens already pulled to safety. Officials now investigating the cause. Also tonight, the escalating contagion and more American tourists trapped by the virus. Officials spraying a hotel in Bethlehem where 14 Americans are under quarantine. More U.S. tourists in lockdown on a cruise ship on the Nile River in Egypt. Authorities there saying 45 people tested positive for COVID-19.
Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro could soon undergo emergency surgery, his office said Wednesday, after being hospitalized in Sao Paulo with an obstructed intestine. It's the latest health scare for the far-right leader who was stabbed in the gut on the campaign trail in 2018. Bolsonaro went to the military hospital in Brasilia early on Wednesday after suffering from abdominal pains. His office initially said it was to undergo tests for chronic hiccups. It was later decided he'd be transferred to Sao Paulo for additional testing and possibly emergency surgery. Bolsonaro's health has been an issue throughout his presidency. He nearly died after the 2018 stabbing, resulting in multiple follow-up surgeries.
Queste grandi navi passano indisturbate. Di una grande società
Avec des défenseurs.